Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. I'm here today to show you a really clean, super nice, easy-go golf cart. It's a 6-passenger gas model. It's powered by the reliable Kawasaki motor with a CVT belt drive. It's got commercial grade generator on it, as well as a commercial grade air cleaner. It doesn't use much gas. It's very easy to start. I'm going to show you how it works here in a minute, but first I want to show you all the extras this has. It has a rear seat and you can fold it out to like a cargo hauling area. If you're going to the lake and you got a bunch of ice chests and you need to haul them down to your boat dock, or you want to take grandma and grandpa down to the boat dock and they don't want to walk, this is a perfect vehicle to do that. You can carry 6 adults. It'll handle the weight. It's got a nice top, keep the sun off your head. It's wired where you can add a 12-volt radio. You can put speakers in it. It's got a horn. This one has a lift kit. It's got some Kenda TerraTrack tires. They're 23 by 1050 by 12. And you can tell by the very little wear on the tires, you can still see the little titties on the tires. This golf cart has very, very little use. The lift kit it not only makes it look good, but when you put a lot of weight on it, it actually makes it ride a lot better. If you got 6 adults on there, you got quite a bit of weight. But it's a quality machine. Easy Go is top quality. This unit with the custom bumpers, the lift kit, all the extras you see, the top, the gas motor, it's almost $10,000. It's also got the lighting package, which some neighborhoods, if it has tail lights, brake lights, will allow these as what they call neighborhood green vehicles. You can see right here you got headlights. It also has a horn right here. But it's a great machine. I'm going to show you how you start it. It's super easy. All you do is turn the key on right here. There's your gas pedal, push it. Motor starts right up. There's your fuel gauge. And away you go. This lift kit also is good with these bigger tires. If you got a farm or ranch and you got a little bit of terrain like I'm driving in right now, it handles the rough terrain a little better, especially when it's loaded with 6 adults. And you hunters, if you're looking for a rig for your hunting leash to get to and from the deer blinds, or to and from what we call the beer camp. We tell our wife it's a deer camp, but it's really the beer camp. I'm going to show you a picture of our dealership while we're heading this way. Texas Best Used Motorcycles. This is our 2nd location. We just opened up this store. We've been in business since 1996, and this is our new location. We got 27,000 square feet right here on Main Street in Mansfield, Texas. I'm going to walk around and let you see the Easy Go one more time. It's finished in sable black. It's basically just like new, custom wheels. It's got it all. But if you got a use for this vehicle, you'll love it. It does the job. But thanks for looking. Thanks for your time. This is Bronco Bob wishing you happy trails.